me hair. You like it? Yeah, I bleach. I bleach one day. I mean, they have 4 months because sunny and sitting. Because I got Christian tomorrow. All this is slippers that too rotted. Me brush off it.
So how you buy?
Me say no, say I want a girl me buy from West Drive and Stella. I say me never yet wear it. Me brush them off because I got Christian tomorrow. Me go and brush them off and come out that we got to go sunny. Right now, this is one tomorrow. Go and brush off tomorrow. So you like them?
But the one that too ugly.
Which one? I know say
Oh my God!
This one
No!
I'm a bad wig, the bad right to the can't give me cool out. Me know what to do it to make it come.
I go tomorrow now, I work.
Spread out my wig then because me have to go back this time tomorrow. I make sure I put the brand now. So they can't do another one. I have to go put some tonight. Spread them out.
You put on because I'm not no.
2 years you want? Come on your head, well comes on 2 years. Catch up here and go on. That's why I'm glad I love bread, you know, master. But you know, say me out. Wow, ear can't see the door. What kind of ear you want? Brazen and
Yes,
or lace or short stick ear.
Anyone me get
Right now, me a 3 year can't see the car. No, me top wear, be bread now we straight. Me done with that ear there. What you say?
Go feet, mama.
No, me ain't no hold on first, cause I want to know my money I go, you know.
Your money
I mean, I'm not joking thing.
I
I set me have here, me yard and me top wear them. Me don't want them again, so we sell them. So me all have one slippers when me buy and you know. Not even want the slippers again neither.
Me say go for them. Go for them. Go for them.
Me have here can't sell up with you and me have more than me have slippers, me have clothes and me never wear yet when me can't sell you.
Go for them.
So how much money you have?
When you come and see money.
Me not, my girl, me not trust none about a ramp with me, you know?
No, sir.
Alright, me soon forward. Oh my God! Wow!
Mrs. Steve.
Wait there. I feel me. How would it? I think this up.
Yes, I
When you feel me wig them there?
you wig.
Wait. Me there.
Guess what?
What mash it there?
You don't tell me no, but you want to get her.
Me say, I got give me. I don't go.
Your phone, she's on just pay me. My girl
You
want
don't want to eat me, get it.
you go pay me rest
Me
of
not
money.
go own nobody.
You see, I chew me, yo, give me, cause true right now, me want the money, you know. I chew me want the money, me and sell it, you know. That me I tell you, see, slippers there.
Oh yeah. What I do with me wig?
Which wig?
But we see if I do it now.
Which wig that?
Yes, me
Let
catch
me
you.
see it. Let me see it on the floor.
Hey, look at.
You catch me, little girl.
Catch you.
See video there on the phone. It's stiff teeth of me wig. I go down to banana.
Yes, look here. Nobody can tell me. I want to wig me over my yard, girl.
That video is a
When
sin.
me come here,
That video is a sin. Look at.
when me come here, come tell us.
I'm going to brand slippers and me say
And that's why me not like deal with.
Nobody know.
Hello, which money? My girl.
Nobody
Hey,
Nobody no ugly like this.
Nobody know you like this. Nobody here.
Me I go sue you. You
I wish
see
I ever go report it to your gift. Collect your money from all the girl.
Collect which money? What on it? Hello.
With me new brands for the
Oh
business.
my God. Give me back the wig. I'll give you our money.
Give me back which wig?
You feel like none of you can take this money and my money.